One powerful methodology for regional economic development is to stimulate local manufacturing. In the West Midlands Health Technology Innovation Accelerator, we were fortunate enough to find very capable local SMEs who can manufacture the future products of our startup companies.
For any business who have a product and wish to improve their product and wish to sell their product in big quantities, MTC has everything under one roof, from understanding the supply chain to wide understanding of the product itself, to then being able to work with startups in a way that helps perhaps themselves understand their own products and ideas better. So it's really translating that manufacturing capability for startups is very well done under one roof at the MTC.
The MTC has helped us with our future supply chain in terms of sourcing alternative manufacturers for us in the UK. As I said, we're currently manufacturing in China, but I wanted to bring that locally. And so they've identified a number of different players who we could approach to talk to about it.
The MTC has helped us with identifying our future supply chains by really looking at what are the key components and what can easily be found. They've looked at it from different angles. So yes, they could have looked at it from, oh, this looks pretty and this looks expensive, but they've sort of put all of that together into a very functional part, and then sort of broken down that into what's a good supplier that we could collaborate with in the future.
So we chose to work with West Midlands because of the dense population of manufacturers in the region, and we want to leverage this advantage rather than try and build a new one and source it from elsewhere. It works for everyone the best if the suppliers are local, supportive to the local businesses, and we can help them to grow together.